Hey guys, this is David, and in this video you're gonna see how I do a colorful hair. For this one I'm gonna use a lot of different colors, as you can see. I'm gonna use the markers and pencils from Art and Fly. I hope you enjoy the video. If you saw my last video drawing a blonde hair, you'll see that the principle is the same. I use markers as the first layer and then I start using the pencils to do more layers after that. The only thing that changes is basically the direction of the hair, since this one is a kind of a braid, and also the colors I'm gonna use. You don't need to follow any specific order here. You can mix pink with orange, blue with green or purple, whatever comes to your mind. You can just use the colors you like the most. And as I'm always saying, just don't forget to keep the pencils always sharp. So if you saw the last video and you're seeing this one now and you wonder how you can do to color a brown hair or a darker hair, all you gotta do is use darker tones. So that's it guys, I really hope you liked it and I hope you try doing one as well and have fun doing it. Thank you so much for watching.